Welcome. My name's Heinrich, also known as Easy Super, and yeah, today we're going to be doing a dev stream. As you can see, I have a brand new scene open, unlike the usual scene where it's my project, my harpy and stuff. Also, please excuse me, I did grab some food beforehand, so I'm also going to be eating whilst doing this. The idea today is scene swapping. Right, that's just making a mess. The idea today is scene swapping, how we're going to be going from... the AI is basically going to be able to pick from one scene going over to another, and the mic seems to constantly be in the way right now. And yeah, so the general idea is that the AI would swap from one scene over to another, thus allowing me to expand the world that the AI can actually traverse. So, without any further ado, let's get into it. I have a new scene open. I'm just going to start it by creating the visuals. This scene right here is going to be a nest. The nest is going to have two plugs, entry and exit points. It's not going to look like much right now, I just want to make something functional. Also, my mic's gains are something insane, so I'm just gonna... There you go. That looks a little bit better. It's less intrusive. However, I noticed the music's not working. Hold on. Can I get the music, please? So here, this is running. Music. I swear I have no idea why it keeps doing this. Will it... There's music now. Okay. Let me just make sure it's running fine on Twitch. I hope I'm not too soft now. It doesn't look like I'm too soft. Let me go to my stream. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Sorry about that. What happens if I increase that? Awesome, that's all I needed. But yeah, I'm starting with a smaller room. And the smaller room, or the idea behind the smaller room is I'm gonna have two doors. And I want the AI to be able to interact between the two doors for now. Because this is important, because I want the AI that there where it enters at that set location on the new scene. And when it exits into the appropriate location in the current scene. So this will allow me to have multiple scenes with multiple entries and exits. So, yeah. I don't know what that is. I can tell it's shrimp, I just don't know what that is. So, I'm gonna need a few things. I need Sasha to be 10. No, sorry. Oh no, wait, these are actually correct. Yeah. And then you are following this one. Cool. Right, I don't exactly want the mic to pick that up, so I have no idea how much noise suppression goes into this. Just need to make sure everything else is properly set up. Model lock needs to be set to this one. Good. Alright. So visuals, I need to zero this out. And within visuals, I need to place... I want a plane. Put it at -6. Make the Y -2. Oh, -1. Then, just for now, I want a cube. And I don't know, ask for your opinion, but okay. Thank you for giving it. Put it at -6. Make this 4. Leave that at 1. Make this 10. And we put it at 5 and -5. Wall. And wall. Duplicate. And I want this at -1. 90 and 0. There you go. It doesn't really matter where that is placed. Oh geez, where's the camera? Okay. And then I need to just grab some materials so that I can differentiate between some of these. Yeah, now I can differentiate. Right. This is not the final one, obviously, but this is just something to work with. Then I need to have something in the background and call it nav mesh. Alright. Wow, it is really picking that up, isn't it? Do I have the SteelSeries app installed? No. I forgot what it was called. I'll figure it out at a different time. I guess I'm just gonna mute myself every time I go for a bite, so Yeah, I got like a 2 for 1 special on sushi, and this looks more like what it's supposed to look like, as opposed to the other one that looked like it was just kind of thrown around. But yeah, um, back to the nav mesh. So most of the nav mesh is kind of easy. We just need one of these. Rotate this -90. This particular one doesn't have to be too big. So I need to grab these. This needs to be where? Where is this one placed again? Okay. Well, she's not really going to be flying in her own place, right? So I just need a floor and the walls. Yeah. It doesn't make sense that she'd be able to fly here. So basically I just need these. And I put them at at 3.5. Same spot as this AI. Because the rest of the navigation doesn't really matter too much here. I guess I could put this at like 10 or something, and then just move you to 10 as well. Because you don't... Yeah, you physically set where the AI is going to be. Then I just need to make some nav meshes. Right, from there, nope, from there to there, plop them in there. Just rename all of these things. There you go. And you need to be there. No, I just need to select this one, and then nav mesh surface. If I go here and show surfaces, for harpies it's walkable and bike. Bam. Easy. Done. No, it's not done. There's a little bit more that needs to be done. So I've set it for harpies. If we take a look at Sasha, her nav mesh is set to harpy. She's looking for walkable, which means she'd only be able to walk there. Perfect. She won't be able to fly within her nest. Later I can add features like that. But for now I just want proof of concept. So now I want data nodes. And reset it. And in data nodes I want a sphere. I'm gonna call the sphere after plopping it in there and resetting it. I don't know why I'd reset to there, but okay. Oh yeah, because that is the location. I want a sphere here at -1, minus 0.5, yeah. I want it at 10, and I want it at 3.5, yeah. And then the sphere, I'm going to make a, I need to make a new data node for it, so I have to go to scriptable objects, data nodes. Data node, call it old oak forest nest door 1. I'm going to make 2 things here, and basically this is going to be go-to, which has not been set up yet. That's fine. We just need to go to scripts. Nodes, believe they're not marked in data entities. But it is in data nodes. Right. And then I need to remember my wallpapers aren't necessarily family friendly. Let's take a look. Come on. Register. Also a reminder to save. I need to create a folder. No. I need to create a new script called goto. And I think I'm just going to grab this. Change this to .goto. And going to... This is just basic script. I'm obviously going to change it later, but for now that'll do. I keep pressing the wrong stuff. I can close that because the audio problem is solved out. I can close this because I don't need that. And I also don't need this at this current state and moment, so... Ta-da! Alright. So it's the basics of my code. Don't tell me you crashed. Don't tell me you crashed. You bitch. Just as I threatened it. Right, I'm gonna save this shit. I'm gonna go back here. I'm gonna look for my door. Wherever the fuck I created it. Ah, there it is. All of the old oak forest nest door 1. Make it go to and go to. Leaving area and leaving area. Awesome. And then here I need to add data nodes. Just this one automatically fills out everything except the script. Okay, hold on. So I should have known this was gonna happen. Oh, I fucking... Yes, okay, hold on. No! Alright, what I was supposed to also do is this. The I instruction. Comma I instruction. Right. That's on me. I forgot I had to add that. Funny thing is, I even thought that I'm supposed to add it. Alright. Oh, let's update it. There you go. Now I have my stuff. That is fine. I don't care if there's errors like that popping up. I just need this thing to pick what I needed to pick. And not keep picking ignore. Alright, now that food's out of the way, let's continue, shall we? It's going to complain about that, so this one I want to put on the opposite side of the room. Sure, that is a bit extreme, don't you think? Of a difference. Flip it. Guess inwards a bit. Yeah. Alright. So this is the visual. This is what we're going to be seeing. This is the what's going to be happening in the back. I'm going to turn off the nav mesh. I'm going to... Where's materials? In here I have an invisible material. This one. What's the standard? No, it's the invisible one. Right, so the magic with the invisible material, the reason why it exists, is because... Fade. Bam, it's gone. So this is just kind of how I hide it from my own perspective, and obviously also in the finished product, how I hide it. But for now, I would like to see what's going on. So I now need the AI. I first need to make sure that the AI can pick between one or the other, so I'm going to clear this. This is practically all set, good to go. It should run when I hit play. Oh, of course. It should run when I hit play. Okay, it's connected to Twitch. I know what I did wrong. Alright, hold on. These must be set to data node. I'm pretty sure I have to reset something with you somewhere. Okay, that is set to correct. That is... Why is she set to climb? She should be default. Yes. Like, why were you set to that? Clear. It should work now. Four, five. Shit. I know. I keep forgetting nonsense. This is supposed to have more attached to it. I just don't remember what I called it, or where I put it. No. 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 Was it libraries? No. I don't remember which one I'm supposed to put on it. Hold on, let me take a look at some of the prefabs. Fuck. I do not like that. Where did I put my stuff? Okay, wait. let's save the project, and I called it test scene. Okay. Okay, yeah. Anyways, drop down container. Great. That's what I need to. I really need to rename some of the stuff. Libraries. Drop down container. And drop down container. Cool. Alright, so this one's attribute as hour, that doesn't matter, and that doesn't matter. It's just so that they're shut. Hour, risk, hunger, stamina, health, distance, distance, and inverted. Cool. Inverted as well. And then year, distance, inverted, and inverted. Cool. Will you now work? What's the issue now? You were okay earlier. No. No. For fuck's sakes. There you go. Okay. Always dumb things. I have no idea how well this setup works. It's just my headset hurts my ears, so I'm kind of hanging it up. Oh, she picked one. Sorry. Cool. Now she's picking one. Now I need to think of a few things. So first of all, I need a script that they can intercommunicate with one another. So I need a system script. So this I'm going to call. I haven't done this in a while. Script to travel. Script. There you go. JavaScript. Then I need to go back to one of my older projects because I haven't done this in a long time. At least since December. That's January. It was during, yeah, Vidal's Game Jam. Assets, scripts. I think it was the player carry. It was the player carry. Alright, so I want to make this static. I want to remove the mono behavior. And I need to state what I'm going to be carrying over. So data for now that's going to be carried over is public static game object door. Pretty straightforward. We're just calling one thing and that one thing gets carried over. What is the rest of this? Oh, I was trying to make a save file. Why did I put it in player carry? Whatever, I had 3 days to program. I didn't care where I put scripts back then. Cool. That's all. That is it. That should be done and dusted. So, with that said, travel script will now carry it over. Now I need to assign to travel script what needs to happen. So here I don't even know why I'm doing serialized fields because I'm never releasing this, but whatever, doesn't matter. Not serialized fields, private fields. Well, I'm not releasing a public version of this, so string door name. Yeah. Then oh. Wait. How would I? Travel script dot door is equal to door name. That is a string, right? Fuck! How can I make it a game object of an object that's in a different scene? I'd literally have to look for that specific door name. Alright, let's try this. Let's try this. Alright. I can actually close these because I don't need these ones anymore. And Serialized field. I wonder if I could do. No, I didn't think so. No. String scene. Scene name. Cool. And then scene manager dot set active scene to scene name to scene name. Shit! How do I do this? Let's go back to my previous programming. So oh no, that was what I programmed for Nero. NPC behavior, NPC controller, player controller, UI, no, menu controller, player controller, system manager. Where did I put it? It's not in Don't Destroy. I don't think it's in menu controller. Scene swapper. Scene manager dot load scene. Yes. So scene manager dot load scene. Fucking bitch. Scene name. Right? Okay. That should be right. There's something else I'm also supposed to be doing here, but my brain is not telling me what I'm supposed to be doing here. It's telling me I forgot something. So, public game object. Ooh, I forgot to make it static. Game object AI bot and public static game object BI bot. No, AI model. Right. So this will capture the bot. This will capture the model, and I should probably capture the camera as well. So public static game object AI cam. Right. Of course I did that. Why would I not do that? There we go. Alright, so then AI bot. Oops, no. And travel script is dot AI bot is equal to current AI, right? And then travel script dot AI model is equal to current AI dot get component sorry, my brain is not working with me right now. Brain.exe not found. AI model lock. AI model lock dot what did I call it? Dot lock model. Lock model. Look at me being resourceful. Right, and then I need I think shit. How do I capture the camera? Oh yeah, I just camera.main. JavaScript dot cam is equal to camera dot main. Bam. Dot game object. Bam. Alright. So refresh. Re-import. There you go. Alright. Why? What is this? No. Hold on. Okay, I know what the error is. Yeah, no, I can. Who wants what? Okay. So now I'm going to call you door 1. I'm going to call you door 2. Prefabs, not prefabs, scriptable objects. This is Old Oak Forest. There it is. Set this to ignore. Set this to maybe later. Alright. I can remove one of these. And bam. Cool. And here I can change this to what it's supposed to be and remove one of these and bam. Cool. This one. Door name is it's a first scene name is test scene 1, right? That's the name of it, eh? test scene 1. Door name is door 1. Well, nest entrance 1. Right. You give me nest entrance 2 and test scene 1. Come on. Right, so for all practical reasons, if it now goes to one of the doors, it should load the next scene. For all practical reasons. Let me just put this back where it belongs because the mic is really frustrating me, even though the headset's frustrating me. Test scene 1. Data nodes. Right. So I think I'm gonna do a little something here. So let's just duplicate for now. Then instead of calling this May, it's going to be called something else, but for now, this is nest door 1. I don't care too much about the orientation for now, I just want to get this working. Nest door 2. Awesome. And then I want to make oh, I guess I could just reuse this. It's the same thing, right? Because this doesn't govern anything, this just affects. Yee. Yeah, there you go. And you are door 1. And no, you are door 2. And you are door 1. And the scene's name is Old Oak Nest. Old Oak Nest. Awesome. Now I need to make a new system script. So that's the travel script. This is the one that's going to be handling everything in between. Just save that. Now I need to make a script that makes use of this data, but in a smart way. So create C# scene transition script. So this will run on awake. Cool. Void awake, and it's going to do a few things. So first it's going to check if travel script has something in door. So door if travel script dot door is not equal to this, then we're going to start off by setting travel script dot door equal to this. First part of the script done. Alright, now I need to see okay. Before I check the door, no, I need to check the door first, because if it is not, then travel doors get set equal to that, and then I need to set a few parameters. So public vector3 this will be called spawn position. Is set equal to, for now, vector0, because we need to be able to set a spawn position. I don't think I need more, so I'm gonna stop there and I'm gonna continue this. Take note, this is a travel script dot door is equal to null, because if it's not equal to null, it does nothing else. Because if it's not equal to null, then it means that it didn't capture a previous script. Alright, now I need to do the following. Game object. See, game object this. AIs is equal to find objects of type AI controller dot yeah, let's actually just do this. AI controller, AI is equal fine. And then AI game object, AI model. AI model is equal to just AI model. It's not assigned yet, so we're going to quickly assign that. So for each game object AI, right, so for each AI controller AI in AIs if AI if AI dot game object dot name is equal to travel script dot AI bot dot name, then AI gets it equal to AI dot game object. Cool. And AI model gets set equal to AI dot get component lock AI model lock dot lock model. Cool. And then see this. If AI does not equal to null, and AI model is not equal to null, then destroy AI and destroy AI model. Awesome. And then game object main C is equal to camera dot main dot game object. Cool. I'm actually curious what will happen if I just do this. Yeah, I thought as much. And then wait, can't I just do this? If camera dot main yeah, I can just do that. Then I destroy that. Cool. Now I can instantiate a few things. So we need to not do that yet. I don't even know how I thought about that. You do that at the bottom, at the very last end. So is equal to yeah, I need to do this. Game object door is set equal to null for now, and then data node is equal to find objects of type data node and then I need to do a new for each. Why the fuck do you do this? Nobody asked for that. For each data node in data nodes if data node if node dot game object dot name is equal to travel script dot door then door set equal to node dot game object. Cool. And then now we start with the fun part. Now we have vector 3. No, now we have spawn position is equal to door.transform.position, and I now need to instantiate this is gonna be fun. I need to now instantiate travel script dot AI cam dot AI model, then instantiate travel script dot AI cam, then instantiate travel script dot AI bot. Otherwise, do nothing. That makes sense. And bedoel jy fucking yes, want hy is in 70. Okay. Five minus 1 point. No. This gets this. Because that's going to spawn, and that's going to spawn and automatically lock to that, and then that's going to spawn, and that's going to lock this to itself. Yeah. So yeah, system now has that. You apply all. So now if I go to here and save this, not be a schmuck and delete my shit. Okay. If I now, you are at position 10, you are at -6, you're at -20, cool. So now if I you become 6 and this one's actually sitting a bit high, -1.5. That's touching it, yeah. Right, and this I want to make ground so that my AI can walk. Cool. and then system is 6, and this is minus 0.5. Right, and oh boy, here goes nothing. Oh, no, my scene. Let's see. What you gonna do, baby? Wait, what? Okay, let's see. Let's see. Come on. Why did we pause? Am I not understanding this properly? Am I being stupid? Oh. What do you want? My brain's not working. Can I do this? I find it curious how my Twitch is not updating. Have I been streaming this entire time and nothing's been updating? No, it's updating there. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Cool. That's all I needed to know. Right, so let's see what it does now. Hey! Come on, come on, come on! Yeet! Ah. Fuck you to you. Oh, it crashed. Test scene could not be loaded because it has not been added to the build settings, or the asset bundle has been... No! No! Why build settings? Why? I swear I've been doing this for years. Alright. Build settings! Oh, there's nothing in here. Come on. Come on. Let's see it. No. Test scene 1. Did I forget to do something? Oh, I realize my folly. It is 2 words. Okay, I know what I did wrong. This is why names are important. It's important to name your shit properly. Come on, baby. Come on. Yes. Come on. Yes. Oh, not entirely. What wrong? What went wrong? I am fairly certain. No. No. What? What do you mean it's been destroyed? Maybe I'm thinking too hard about this. Maybe I should not be destroying it, but instead I should be relocating. So let's rethink all of this. Because if I'm just relocating, I just need to relocate one thing. That is specifically the AI in question, which means I don't need to move the AI model, I don't need to move the camera, those will move along with everything else. So, let's do this. With that being said, oh, I have 11 followers. Oh, thanks for the follow. How do I say that? Prakar Kapoor. Thanks for the follow. I need to get rid of this. I am not supposed to be deleting stuff anymore. None of this matters anymore. Yeah, I'm just programming on a project I'm working on. I'm nearing the end of it, so you might catch the magic a little bit. I'm just working on a transition script from one scene to another. AI. Wait, I might have removed a little bit too much. I can remove that. Then I need to find the door, but I'm not doing this. Instead, I am setting AI dot transform dot position equal, yeah. Okay. Let's see what happens. Come on. Then she ignores it. Let's try this again. Okay. And... we crashed. What's been destroyed? The object of type game object has been... Did I not save this? No, I did save it. What do you mean? What? What? No, but I'm not... What? I'm gonna need debuggers. Wait, how am I gonna add debuggers? I can't add debuggers here. Let's do this. Debug dot log travel script dot door debug dot log javascript dot AI bot dot name, just so I can see if it does something. I technically don't need these two anymore. Which means here some things are going to become obsolete because I don't need to carry it over anymore. And then save. Missing stuff. Yes, I know. Oh, it's because... Right. Immediately. Error. Why though? Why is it always dumb nonsense? For goodness sake. If travel script dot AI bot does not equal null. Awesome. Okay. Right. Of course you're ignoring it. Try again. Try again. Try again. No! Try again. Okay. Now it has to empty the queue first. And it crashes, obviously, immediately. What? That is interesting. Okay, so let's not do game objects then. Let's do something else. Let's do, instead of game object, I just do that, and this needs to change to that, and this is very specific because here I'm gonna make this string. And since I can't make string null, I have to make that. Good. Now, GoTo is going to freak out because it's not going to like what I just did, which means I now need to go and do this. So now I need to go back here. No, back here, where it's looking to see if this does not equal that. But now some other things are breaking, which is good because I require it to break. So ai.gameObject.name, travelscript ai.bot.name, ai equals ai.gameObject. Dot name equals this. Was that it? Hold on. Bubble. Play. Come on, let's see what you do. Alright, let's try again. Yes! Come on! Work! 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 And we crashed. Why'd we crash? At least it's at a different part of the script now. What? No! No, you bitch! Alright, the name is Nest in... Nest door 2 and nest door 1. Okay. And I should probably put a catch in for it as well. So let's just do this. So that at least I know I'll not run into a damn crash. If Door does not equal null. Then it does this. Alright, let's run it. Of course you're gonna ignore it. You always ignore it. Can you maybe click going to? Yep, you ignore it again. Pick going to. Curious, what happened to my music? Pick going to. Yes! Why? Okay. Next door, 1, and such. Oh no. What did I name them then? Save. Oh wait, no, they're on the NPC layer for some reason. Nest door 1, nest door 2. .gameObject.name. So in other words, this was supposed to return these as names. Nest door 1 and nest door 2. Actually take a look at the information given here. Disconnected from the Twitch chat. Speech bubble found AI cam follow on main camera, switching to new AI social model. Text bubble manager registered to Twitch events. Sasha nest door 1. This nest door 1, they both line up, so and you spawned there, which is your base location. Why did you not spawn here? We're supposed to have gotten those values and not the values that I set. So what's going on? Oh. if door is equal to null. What am I doing? Else. Let me just make sure about my facts here. So we're looking for a node which game object's name is the same as javascript.door. Then we are, if we do find this, then we set door to the node. Alright. Slowly, but fucking surely. Old oak. That's a lot faster than usual. Okay, let's take a look here. Nothing fired. That's peculiar. No, it did. There it is. Nestor, Sasha, Nestor. Nestor position. Am I looking for the wrong thing the whole time, perhaps? I'm looking for AI controllers and then game object AI set to null. My brain hurts. Okay, this is Sasha. Sasha has an AI controller. The AI controller is supposed to lead me here. But Sasha, for some reason, doesn't want to change the transform. So it is currently set at 32. Oh wait, this is interesting. This is very interesting. Am I being an idiot? Because I think that is exactly what is happening, and that I just made a very, very strange mistake. NPCs. No, I did not make a very strange mistake. But instead, the AI is transfixed to here. Which is fairly close to here. But the model is there. But Sasha is on 71. Which means it tries to place it in the position it thinks it's supposed to be in, but it can't place it in the exact position. But even then, even though this and this might end up trying to be the same, this is the position. So Sasha is supposed to be changed to that position, but for some reason she's changed there and she's changed there, but she's not changed there. Wait. No. What? She's not even supposed to fall through. In fact, Sasha is over there. Only the only the X got translated. And the Z. Why not the Y? Yeah, she's is literally on the edge over there, where her target is there. Why is the Y not translating? Oh, that's horrible. No. That's why she falls. Well, no, she doesn't fall. She's trying to reach the closest edge. No man, but 62 is here. No. No. No, 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 no. Why are you... What? Oh. Okay, I can't set game objects because for some reason they don't get set. I can't move the game object to where I need it to be. Unless instead of on awake I do on start. Change the order of flow. Nope. How can I physically change where it spawns? I think I have an idea. Whether it's a good idea is up for debate. Public fuck off list. So for every AI in AIs, so AI list. There we go. Cool. And then after we do that, we destroy it. We destroy AI. Cool. Right, now, after we destroy it, we instantiate, we first find if AI list dot contains game object AI in AI list if dot name is equal to TravelScript.ai bot, then instantiate no, then AI gets equal to AI, and then where was AI created? In there, then to spawn let's instantiate AI awesome. Of course this is gonna work. This is always gonna work. Everything I do works. Always. Thank you for not wasting my time. Hey! Oh, yeah, I know where I fucked up. Okay, yeah, no, I know where I fucked up. Okay. So, system. This gets a prefab. For Sasha. Not how I want to do it, but it's the way I know how to do it right now. I go over here, system prefab, Twitch network, no, system, there we go. Let's unpause and of course it's gonna. Is Sasha not around? There's this one. It's not happy with this one? No, it's not. I tried something. It clearly is not meant to work like that. Yeah. How would I decouple? How can I disable nav mesh That's a good question, Heinrich. Do you have a next question? Because if I can disable nav mesh, then I can re-enable it after the move is done. Curious. Very curious. Let's try that. Because I am not instantiating anything. That is a big no. But instead, I'm going to set the AI.transform position to this. But before I do that, I will first AI.getComponent nav mesh dot No, that is wrong, because it's a very specific part of the nav mesh agent. Nav mesh agent dot as path is active and enabled. Can I use this? Maybe. Is stopped, name, nav mesh, next position, path, radius, right? Reset path, resume, set area, set path, stop, tag, toString, stop distance, transform, try, up to position, velocity, walk, mask, warp, equal that, add component, analyze, is unit null, clone, convert to script, describe, description, descriptor, game object, get component again. Icon is component is convertible is destroyed is prefab is scene bound is must be equal must be serialized to safe string yield. I found one up here somewhere that I liked. Is this not a bool? Did I misunderstand this part entirely? Oh, it can only get, it can't set. Report whether a game object is associated with whether active and available. No, how do I do this? Fuck it, I am asking AI. To move an NPC from one location to another. In Unity 3D however the NPC is bound by nav mesh agent and will not relate to the appropriate location despite location since the location is on another nav mesh. Both nav meshes are the same. Area rated. Right. DeepSeek. Hit search as well. Go. It's gonna take a while. Whilst that's taking a while. Maybe I can set layer cost. Whilst AI is busy generating, let's try this. Oh, I can try that maybe. Let's try that. Let's try that. I didn't. Dot warp to spawn position. take a look. Let's take a look. My eye kept missing warp, but maybe, just maybe, this is my answer. And then she moves. Come on. There you go. And of course she ignores it. Just gonna keep ignoring it. Oh, finally I'm going to, but I think she's first gonna yep, she replied. Now the queue has the verse empty. Yes! Come on, let's see this work. I have the doors swapped around, but it works. The script works. And that is the important part. Oh. Okay. Right, so this I'm just going to rename to door 2. You I'm going to rename to door 1. Come on. Oh, I don't know if the song came through, but like it sounded like a door opening up, which confused me. All right. I can't believe that took this entire stream. Right, that's about as far as I'm gonna take this. It is late, I am tired, and I had a long day. So, let's cover a few things real quick. I have NPC interaction, I have object interaction, I have a little bit of animations in place. I have interaction descriptions, things that pop up in the bubble every time the AI interacts with stuff. And now I have location switching. Now I just need to make more locations. I don't think I'm going to have a new location ready by tomorrow. I'm actually not going to be streaming tomorrow because I have somewhere to be. But I should be streaming on Monday again. So, yeah. I will see you guys then. Thank you so much for watching. If you're watching this after the math, If you've made it this far, thank you so much once again, and I will see you guys next time. I will see you guys next week Tuesday, but there will be a live stream of my AI interacting on Monday. I'll see you guys then.